Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Panashe and I decided to film this cute little tutorial for you guys. I think it's like a really nice look if you want to kind of go from daytime to nighttime, because you got like a cut crease and some like slightly bold lashes that can work for any time, and I feel like a glossy lip is just such a cute and like, I don't know, sexy thing to rock. So yeah, I hope you guys like it and enjoy. I'm gonna start by filling in my eyebrows. I first take this tinted brow mascara by NYX in the shade Black, and then I just brush it over my brows. Then I take my NYX brow pencil in the shade, I can never find the shades, oh my gosh, Espresso, in the shade Espresso. And then I just fill in my brows. I always start at the bottom and I go a little bit above my brows because I don't want them to sort of turn down too much. I like them to be more straight. Don't worry if you're not like too neat or anything, because it all comes together when you then do the foundation. And I like to do little strokes at the front when they are this close together, and I just fill in any like bold spots in there. Then once I'm done, I go in again with the tinted brow mascara and I brush the hairs slightly forward and up, just to give it a more bushy look. This is kind of light, but I don't really mind. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha just to sculpt out my brows. I'm going to take the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take this like peachy nudie sort of color there. I think it makes a really nice transition shade. Take this darker nudie brownie color and I'm just going to place it slightly more in the crease, more towards the outer end than the end. Using like windshield wiper motions and then sort of buffing it out and rounding it out towards the end there. Darker brown there. This is a very brown and nude look, so we're using lots of browns. Just get any palette, and if you can find like 3 different shades of brown, then that would be good. And then I want to look down and place it right there towards the end. I'm mixing these two, or no, these two, because they like dark browns. I know it all looks the same, but there is a slight gradient there, which is kind of the effect we're trying to get. And I'm going to take this brown color that we just used and I'm going to place that more on the lid, closer towards the outer end. I'm going to take my concealer again. It doesn't matter what concealer you take, just as long as it's a nice light color. So since I have hooded eyes, I don't actually cut right where my crease is. I kind of go above that just so it shows more, because as soon as I open my eyes, everything is gone. So I like for it to show even when my eyes are open. And the trick to do this is like have the mirror right in front of you and just cut it like that. The neatest with this, but it's okay. So once you've done the shape with the mirror right in front of you, then you can put it back down and sort of just follow that. take it all the way towards the end. I'm sort of keeping it just halfway like that. Take this almost peachy nude color right here, and I'm gonna pack that where I just cut the crease. I kind of just want to blend the edges more together, so I'm going to go in again with this this brown shade that we went in with earlier, just on the edges of the crease. They just want to like melt into each other and blend into each other more seamlessly, so it always helps to sort of just take your crease color and blend it into the edges like that. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a smaller brush and just to sort of define my eye a little more, I'm going to take this brown again, and I'm gonna go in right close to the lash line like that, making it thinner towards the inner corner of the eye and thickening it towards the outer end, just to add more definition to the eye. And I'm gonna take this last dark shade right here. It's called Abyss. Oh, I didn't realize the shade names are at the back, so I'll start telling you guys the shade names just to make it easier. And I'm gonna place this right by my lashes. I went ahead and finished this eye, and I coated my lashes in some mascara, so now I'm just gonna put on these lashes, and it's smaller in the inner corner and then flares out at the end, and I feel like that's always really pretty when you do a cut crease. Usually just place it with tweezers at first, and then I do it with my fingers because I feel like I have more control when I do it with my fingers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, like foundation, highlight, and contour and all that. Finished the rest of my face off camera. Now I'm gonna go in to the under eye. So I don't usually like putting color and eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm not gonna do that. But I am going to take all the brown shades that we did at the top, and I'm gonna do those at the bottom. So I'm gonna take this shade right here first, and just put it all over the bottom. Take this darker shade right here, and I'm going to put it a little closer to the waterline. I'm going to take this it's like pinky champagne, it's like a really pretty pinky champagne-y color on this fluffy brush. I'm just going to put that all over the inner corner right there. Then I'm going to take this MAC mascara, Extended Play Giga Black, I don't know, mascara. So I went ahead and lined my lips. I'm gonna go, as per usual, with this brown faux lipstick. Always do nude. I feel like it looks good with any look. So yeah, and I'm gonna take again my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Slay Tan. I'm going to spray my entire face, set it with the NYX matte finishing spray. Way too much. You do not need that much. And then the only thing different about this lip today is I feel like I want to do a glossy lip, so I'm going to take this Revlon gloss in the shade 225 Sandstorm. I think I got this for like $6 at Shoppers, and I just put a little bit in the center because it makes your lips look bigger and juicier. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, I think it's like a really cute, simple look. You can use it for daytime or nighttime because of the whole cut crease thing. And I love a glossy lip. I feel like anything with a glossy lips just looks really good. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and tell me what looks you guys want to see, or if you guys liked it, or if you have any suggestions for it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.